Guys, we're hiking the Wolf Creek Trail over at Letchworth State Park right now. Genesee River has been going absolute crazy. We've had a lot of rain coming through our area the last few days, and we're gonna take the time to come check it out. And yeah, check it out with me, guys. If you take the Lower Falls Road, follow that all the way down, it brings you to this big parking area. And there's a little trail that ends up leading you down there, like right about right there. You can see the trail goes this way and goes up there. A little detour over here. This will be actually a good spot for a thumbnail of the video. Wow! Whoa! Check it out! Wow! You always want to be careful. You can see there's the edge, and there's me. I don't plan on getting any closer to that. Alright, well, if we follow that trail, that'll bring you to the Great Bend Overlook. But I think we're going to head back that way. Go back to the Wolf Creek spot. I want to show you guys a cool waterfall.